clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, extra, read about it, I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit, yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings, they thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team, ISO is what I'm repping. Put on for the whole city. Yeah, I got it rocking with me.
What nice guys.
Yeah, I know, right? Like, I don't know, we about to just run out there, like. Oh, typical Dodge. Just
Problems.
Just a Dodge owner helping another Dodge owner.
Hello.
Right. Two of you?
Two.
Be quiet. Video.
No, you're good.
No, you're
You want to be in it?
10-8. Hi. Hi.
I don't want to go too far because I don't want Brent to go to see places. Just go out the freaking camper and camped out last night.
Could've. Although we were a little busy.
Yeah. Oh,
Yikes.
so we're out here at Midwest Dirtfest. It's our first year coming. Obviously don't have the truck here. So much to do, like we've talked about a million times, but for those who are new, so I gotta rebuild the engine. We gotta pull up the brakes, finish the trans coolers, and before we ever take it here, cage it, finish the long travel in the front. So
We got a long list for this winter for sure.
yeah.
But I think this being our first time coming here, we're definitely going to mark this on the calendar for next year and make it a point to get the truck here on the track.
For sure. We have some exciting stuff that might be happening as far as a new shop space, so stay tuned for that because that could be very exciting. We'll probably do a full showcase of that when that happens. But yeah, first time being here, pretty cool. Ran into a guy I met on TikTok, Taco Light. He's got a Camberg Toyota Prerunner that he's a race truck. So go follow him on TikTok, Brian Wallace. You see him in my comments all the time giving me shit for having a leaf spring truck. So good guy, nice to meet him. He's got a race next weekend, but all in all, very cool to be here. Definitely something that's going to be on our list for future events. Need to work on getting a press pass for sure.
Oh, next year for sure.
We'll show you the video of us filming from like the stands, which any Joe Schmo can do that. Terra Crew's out here, so James is down there filming.
With it being kind of so last minute, I mean,
yeah,
this is what we got.
Yeah. So definitely
We didn't really
exciting.
know what it was going to be.
Yeah,
so.
honestly, we didn't know what to expect coming out here. So to hit them up and be like, hey, can we get a press pass, go down on the track? It would have been a lot for us and probably not the best idea. So just being here, experiencing it for the first time is awesome. So
Yeah, meeting some cool people, chit-chatting with some folks.
So probably gonna go try and talk to Box Runner. He's the guy with the Do It For Dale truck. So probably go hit him up. I don't know if we'll film that. I don't like shoving a camera in people's face, so maybe we'll see what we can do. But yeah, a lot of cool people here. Awesome seeing Terra Crew out here.
So if you guys know, this was Danny Giannini's truck, and it was also Austin Elko's truck built by Kurt Designs. Freaking awesome.
we had an absolute blast at Midwest Dirtfest. Definitely something we're putting on the calendar for next year, and definitely something that we need to get the truck out there. So some basic things that you need to have to go out there is have an engine cage. You got to wear a helmet, and then I think there's some other things you got to probably pass some kind of tech inspection, but obviously we don't have some of those things, but we're working on getting them. Hope you guys enjoyed us being up there. Next year we're definitely going to try and get a media pass and get this truck out there. But freaking great experience. Awesome seeing all those trucks. Inspires me for so many things that I want to do for this truck. So stay tuned. We got a ton coming for the White Knight Prerunner. All right, I will give you a sneak peek at what we are working on and what you'll be seeing in the next few weeks. So getting front brakes on, obviously plumbing up the rear ones, adding in our chase lights and our trans cooler that's going right up there. If you guys like that, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. Which truck did you like the most that we showed you from Midwest Dirtfest? There's so many sick trucks out there, it's unbelievable. So cool seeing all those. But yeah, I'm Linden with Caswell Customs, and I'll see you in the next one.
You stole my heart of gold.